Don't let someone who gave up on their dreams talk you out of going after yours. Hope is the power that gives a person the confidence to step out and try. The greatest of all mistakes is to do nothing because you think you can only do a little. If you don't like who you are and where you are, don't worry about it because you're not stuck either with who you are or where you are. You can grow, you can change, and can be more than you are. Make a careful exploration of who you are and the work you have been given, and then sink yourself into that. Don't be impressed with yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. You can change everything about your business by changing your thinking about your business. Money is not everything, but it ranks right up there with oxygen. A lot of people have gone further than they thought they could because someone else thought they could. You are the only person on earth who can use your ability. Repetition is the mother of learning, the father of action, which makes it the architect of accomplishment. When you do more than you're paid for, eventually you'll be paid for more than you do. Motivation is the fuel necessary to keep the human engine running. There is little you can learn from doing nothing. Don't let the mistakes and disappointments of the past control and direct your future. Outstanding people have one thing in common: an absolute sense of mission. Lack of direction, not lack of time, is the problem. We all have 24-hour days. You can't hit a target you cannot see, and you cannot see a target you do not have. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. With integrity, you have nothing to fear, since you have nothing to hide. With integrity, you will do the right thing, so you will have no guilt. You can make positive deposits in your own economy every day by reading and listening to powerful, positive, life-changing content, and by associating with encouraging and hope-building people. Courage is on display every day, and only the courageous wring the most out of life. In the game of life, before you get anything out, you must put something in. It's not what you've got. It's what you use that makes a difference. Look back in forgiveness, forward in hope, down in compassion, and up with gratitude. If you go looking for a friend, you're going to find they're scarce. If you go out to be a friend, you'll find them everywhere. People often say motivation doesn't last. Neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. There has never been a statue erected to honor a critic. People don't buy for logical reasons. They buy for emotional reasons. There are not traffic jams on the extra mile. You are the most influential person you will talk to all day. Make today worth remembering. Success comes when opportunity meets preparation. Success is dependent upon the glands, sweat glands. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. If you are going to be successful, you must develop persistence. You already have every characteristic necessary for success if you recognize, claim, develop, and use them. You cannot climb the ladder of success dressed in the costume of failure. The foundation stones for a balanced success are honesty, character, integrity, faith, love, and loyalty. Sometimes adversity is what you need to face in order to become successful. Success must never be measured by how much money you have. Honesty and integrity are absolutely essential for success in life, all areas of life. The really good news is that anyone can develop both honesty and integrity. True success has more components than one sentence or idea can contain. Moving from survival to stability, from stability to success, from success to significance. A goal properly set is halfway reached. If you want to reach a goal, you must see the reaching in your own mind, before you actually arrive at your goal. Goals enable you to do more for yourself and others too. When obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. You do not change your decision to get there. To reach your full potential, you have to set goals that will stretch you. When you stop planning and preparing, you stop winning. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. You need a plan to build a house. To build a life, it is even more important to have a plan or goal. In order for a goal is to be effective, it must affect change. The real benefit of having goals is what you become by reaching them. The chief cause of failure and unhappiness is trading what you want most for what you want right now. Make failure your teacher, not your undertaker. One of the main reasons people fail to reach their full potential is because they are unwilling to risk anything. Failure is a detour, not a dead-end street. Most people who fail in their dream fail not from lack of ability, but from lack of commitment. Try to look at your weakness and convert it into your strength. You don't drown by falling in water, you only drown if you stay there. Failure is an event, it is not a person. Yesterday ended last night. Today is a brand new day, and it's yours. It's not how far you fall, but how high you bounce that counts. Getting up and moving forward is a choice. Your attitude, not your aptitude, determines your altitude. If you have the character to hang in there when it's tough, you will develop or acquire every other characteristic necessary to win in the game of life. You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. If you do not think you deserve success, then you will do things that will keep you from getting success. Where you start is not as important as where you finish. You will get all you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want. Fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. It makes no difference where you go, there you are. And it makes no difference what you have, there's always more to want. Until you are happy with who you are, you will never be happy because of what you have. The greatest source of happiness is the ability to be grateful at all times. If you don't see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as a winner. Happiness is the ability to move forward, knowing the future will be better than the past. Expect the best. Prepare for the worst. Capitalize on what comes. You can start where you are with what you've got and go to wherever it is you want to go. We cannot start over, but we can begin now and make a new ending. Anyone with a purpose can make a difference. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Every choice you make has an end result. When your image improves, your performance improves. If you aim at nothing, you will hit every time. You cannot consistently perform in a manner which is inconsistent with the way you see yourself. A vision without a task is but a dream. A task without a vision is drudgery. But a vision and a task are the hope of the world. The healthiest of all human emotions is gratitude. You become part of what you are around. The more you are grateful for what you have, the more you will have to be grateful for. You cannot fly with the eagles if you continue to scratch with the turkeys. Surround yourself with people who want the best for you and the people you love. You don't climb the high mountain all by yourself. It is in conjunction with others that we really accomplish the major things in life. The greatest cause of a poor image is the absence of unconditional love. Like sterling silver, Love will tarnish unless it is polished with daily applications of interest, involvement, and expressions of love. Many marriages would be better if the husband and wife clearly understood that they're on the same side. Duty makes us do things well, but love makes us do them beautifully. The best way to make your spouse and children feel secure is not with big deposits in bank accounts, but with little deposits of thoughtfulness and affection in the love account. Children have never been very good at listening to their elders, but they've never failed to imitate them. Don't be distracted by criticism. Remember, the only taste of success some people have is when they take a bite out of you. I recognize that winning is not everything, but the effort to win is. When you've got a strong enough why, you can always find the how. We do not stop working and playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop working and playing. You cannot solve a problem until you acknowledge that you have one and accept responsibility for solving it. If you have liked this motivational quotes, please share your valuable experiences in comment section. They are much appreciated.